So let's solve some question on chapter 9. So in this question, we have a small fish and we have the length of the fish. So if we consider this is the length of the fish, and this is 15 millimeter, and the fish is in the swim in the fresh water, and the speed of the fish is 20 millimeter per second. So now the question asks us if the boundary layer type flow develop along the side of the fish or not. So whenever we want to answer this kind of question, we always need to know what is our Reynolds number. So this is the formula that we are using for Reynolds number. So Reynolds number is equal to velocity L over nu. So we know that the fluid is water, so the nu of water is 1.2 L times to the 10 to minus 6 meter square over second. And now in A, we know that L is 15 millimeter, meaning is 0 0.015 meter. And if we put the nu and L in the Reynolds number with the velocity of 20 millimeter per second, which needs to also convert to meter to second, we're gonna get the Reynolds number of 268. And we know that 268 is very low, and we have it in the previous, in the chapter 9 that I told you. If the velocity, if the Reynolds number is between 1 to 100, or kind of, let's say, less than 1,000, we don't have any clear boundary layer. So this is 268, the Reynolds number. So we can say that it's less than 1,000. So we don't have any boundary layers form. So let me just write it down. So we're gonna say very low Reynolds number. Then it means that no true boundary layer form. Now it said that if the fish, instead of 1.5 meter long, and then swims with a speed of 2 meter per second, now how about the boundary layer type? Is it developed or not? So let's say that then we have the length instead of 15 millimeter is 1.5 meter, and we know that the nu of water. So let's say that the Reynolds number, when we just calculate that, the Reynolds number gonna be 2.7 times 10 to the 6. So it is very large Reynolds number. So it means that we have highly inviscid flow. And the previous one, I forget to say that we have a viscous flow, right? And then the boundary layer forms. So now let's go to the next question.